Hello everyone, my name is Giuseppe Semeraro, and I'm head of sales at LANG Technik. I'm very happy you have tuned in. One of the products we presented to the public at EMO in Hanover, Germany, is our new Quickpoint rail system. If you know LANG and its products, you will immediately think of a zero-point clamping system when you hear this name. That's not entirely wrong, but there are crucial differences. So, what are we dealing with here? Quickpoint rail is a quick clamping system for milling machines. It is based on serrated clamping bars that can be mounted directly on machine tables, automation pallets, or clamping bridges without utilizing base plates. The clamping bars are used to hold 5-axis vices and zero-point risers. The quick clamping system therefore uses elements of a zero-point clamping system. An actually static zero-point riser becomes a movable zero-point clamping system because it can be flexibly positioned and attached to the clamping bar. But first things first. How does the quick clamping system work? The clamping bars are positioned in the grooves of a machine table using sliding blocks and fastened with screws. They are attached to automation pallets via a direct screw connection in predefined threaded holes. The clamping device is pushed sideways over the clamping bar. The connection between the clamping device and clamping bar is a fit. A horizontal clamping screw in the clamping device fixes it to the clamping bar using a pull-down effect with a repeat accuracy of less than 5 microns. The clamping bar has a serration on one side, in which the clamping device can be fastened at 4 mm intervals. Clamping bars are available with and without predefined mounting holes. Depending on the size of the machine table or automation pallet, it is possible to connect several clamping bars together. A continuous 4 mm grid is also guaranteed across several clamping bars. Why has LANG introduced such a system to the market when it already offers a zero-point clamping system? To answer this question, we should first look at the actual purpose of a zero-point clamping system. Well, the purpose of a zero-point clamping system is primarily to quickly set up a wide variety of clamping devices, fixtures, vices, and also workpieces directly. The most important thing here is being able to set it up in all axial directions of a machine tool. In other words, the ultimate in flexibility. In reality, however, it is often the case that a zero-point clamping system is not used to its full extent. Let me give you an example for this. A high percentage of machining operations use riser to create sufficient distance between the machine table and the workpiece, and thus improve accessibility. An additional zero-point clamping system is usually mounted on the machine table or the automation pallet for this purpose. In practice, however, use is often limited to the use of a single clamping device in the center or a clamping application with several parts in one axis. This sometimes involves shooting sparrows with cannons, which would not actually be necessary. In this case, the quick clamping system offers a customized and cost-efficient solution. However, it is more flexible than permanently mounted and static systems because it can be positioned completely variably in one axis. Let's recap what we've just heard. The quick clamping system is suited for all machining companies that are looking for a cost-effective and quick way to attach vices and zero-point units to machine tables and automation pallets. Let's move on to the benefits of Quickpoint rail. What are the benefits of the clamping system? The clamping bars are attached without having to adjust the machine table. This means that no additional time and costs are incurred in preparing the table or pallet. The quick clamping system can be installed on an empty machine table in less than 2 minutes. A very important point is, of course, the freedom and flexibility that this Quickpoint rail offers. 5-axis vices and zero-point risers can be moved almost freely in 4 mm intervals, which is unique on the market. Basically, the user benefits from similar flexibility as with zero-point clamping system, but can complete go without a zero-point base plate. This clearly saves costs, especially with high quantities, for example on palletizing systems. Quickpoint rail offers enormous savings potential here. So this is it. Those were the most important facts and an overview of Quickpoint rail. A very exciting, innovative solution that we hope you will like. Feel free to write to us if you are interested in testing the system without obligation. If you have any questions, please write to us at the email address in the video description or comment on the video. We look forward to telling you a little more about the system. That's it for today. Thank you for sticking with us to the end. See you next time.
Bis zum nächsten Mal.